Hi, I'm Rendon with Battle of the Tools, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a cool new tool that I have. It's a DEWALT battery adapter that adapts from the 20 volt batteries to the 18 volt style. So I can still use like my old drill here that I've had for several years. This is just a really good hammer drill that works with the 18 volt style batteries like this. But I just bought a new kit and I have a whole bunch of 20 volt batteries that won't fit on here. So that's where this adapter comes in. So let's open it up and see how it works and see if it really stands up to what it claims to do. Alright, so here we have a little red cap here for safety on the top. I guess I could keep that. So we see how it looks pretty similar to the old batteries, except this is just an adapter. So the 20 volt battery will slide in the bottom of this. And it's compatible with most. There was a few exceptions it did say, I should mention. So it did say on here that it is not compatible with the Delta Charlie 970 and the Delta Charlie 759. Those two batteries it will not work with. I'm not sure if those are 20 volt batteries or something else, but the rest of them it will work. So these ones I can look on here and make sure that they'll work. So that mine's the Delta Charlie Bravo 205 is what this one is, and my other ones are like a 2 amp hour battery. This is the 5 amp hour battery. But it just slides into the bottom right there, just like that. You can press to release just on the battery, just like you release it from your tool. And then we can put this in, and we'll see if it'll power up my 18 volt drill with a 20 volt battery. Nice. There we are. That's on one, powering a 18 volt tool with a 20 volt battery. Really cool. Thanks for watching, guys.